So, composition of urine, we know very well, we already discussed. Our body have a unwanted materials or excretory materials in our blood that is filtered or extracted in kidneys as a urine. Okay, so and that urine contains waste materials, nitrogenous waste materials. Not only nitrogenous waste materials, some other components are there in the urine. What are that materials of urine that we want to discuss here? Okay, so the urine, if you eat what you are eating, based on that, so the composition of urine also changes. For example, the content of water is very high in the urine. If you taken more water containing food in your diet, automatically you can release more water in your urine. Okay, likewise. So first, urea. Urea is one of excretory substance present in our urine. How it is formed? When you eat meat or non-veg, okay, protein containing food material, so automatically the composition of urea will increases in our urine. Okay, so it means if you eaten protein containing food materials, automatically here deamination process can take place. So the levels of the urea will be increases. Urea can form in our metabolic activities. Okay, so this is one cause for urine or containing urea level, the higher urea levels present in our urine. So that is the one of the reason. Okay, so after that, this urea gets decomposes. When it decomposes, it will turns into as a ammonia. Which one? Ammonia. We know very well. Ammonia is the dangerous, very poisonous excretory material in our body. How it is preparing in our body? In this manner. When you take a protein containing food, it moves in a deamination process. It can form a urea, and that urea gets into decomposition, so it will form a ammonia. That is, ammonia is a very poisonous to our body. Okay, so this is also decides the nature of the urine. Basically, first, the urine is in acidic nature. So first, urine is in the condition of acidic. When the decomposition process takes place in urea, when the levels of ammonia increases, these acidic levels turns into basic level or alkaline nature. Are you understand? So acidic means pH is up to 6. Okay, so acidic nature. So next one, second one, our urine also contains sugars. Which one? Sugars. When you eat more sugar containing food material, automatically the sugar levels increases in our urine. Are you understand? So this is one of the factor present in the one of the component present in the urine. Okay, so water is also one of the material. Okay, when you eat a more water containing food material, you can have more water in your urine. Okay, so next, and otherwise, if you say in our body, nearly 96% of water is present. How much of water? 96% water is present in our urine. Okay, so two, and in that 2.5% organic organic materials present in our urine. 2.5%. What are that? So for if you observe, urea, uric acid, creatinine, as well as creatinine. Okay, vitamin C, etc. Okay, these are the organic components present in our urine. It will be changes, the levels will be changes. So, and then 1.5% inorganic materials also there. Inorganic substances or materials. What are the inorganic substances present in our body? Like a sodium, potassium, magnesium, chlorides, etc. These also present in our urine. Are you understand up to here? Yes, sir. So our urine contains urea. How it is present in our urine, we are discussed. So if you take a protein level contain or protein containing food material, it undergoes deamination process, it can form a urea. Urea can form, when it undergoes decomposition, it can form ammonia. This decides the nature of the urine. So also sugar levels also different, because based on our diet, if you take a more sugar containing food material, you can lose more sugar within your urine. So next, water. If you observe, if you take more water, you can lose more water. Mainly 96% of water present in our body, it means in our urine. So there is a 2.5, and then 2.5 organic materials are there, and 1.5% inorganic materials are there. Then, so if the kidneys are not working properly, what will happen? It is a very problematic issue. Our body contains a pair of kidneys. When it goes irregular functioning, or it cannot do function, okay, the kidneys not working stage is known as a very important one, ESRD. This is also known as a end stage of renal disease. What is meant by ESRD? End stage of renal disease. It means the kidney is not working. That means that is undergo kidney failure. When both kidneys are failure, automatically the nitrogenous waste materials, water content increases in our body. It is very difficult or very problematic situation. Okay, so when the water content as well as the nitrogenous waste materials and minerals, organic and inorganic materials increases in your body, your body gets swelling you can observe in the body. That stage is known as a uremia, which is what it known as uremia. that disease is known as a uremia. Okay, if you neglected this stage, this disease, automatically that person will get death. Okay, so right, because if that waste materials levels increases in our body, automatically your metabolic activities interrupts with that nitrogenous waste materials, that body functions, the malfunctions will observe in your body. It means it lead to death. It lead to death. Are you understand? So ESRD, end stage of renal disease. So it lead to uremia condition. It means the body gets swelling with the deposition of water and nitrogenous waste materials. Are you understand? So very important topic. The composition of urine. Composition of urine. So the urine is in transparent manner. You can observe transparent fluid. Okay, and also it have a color of amber color. Amber color. So due to the presence of urochrome in the urine. Okay, how it is releases in our body, we can discuss later. Okay, so because the amber color, because of urochrome present in urine. Okay, so that's why it shows a amber color. Are you understand? This is a composition of urine.